guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another video. Today I have a grocery haul and meal plan for you. I'm actually on my way to Target to go pick it up. I tried placing an order at BJ's and at Walmart and they were out of like a ton of stuff. So Walmart, I'm at Target was only out of my Yasso Greek yogurt bars and my coffee, but Stoke coffee, again, here we are, is like the hardest thing in the world to find. So I was able to get a different kind of cold brew, so we'll try that and hopefully it's good. But I hope you guys enjoy this video. I do like grocery hauls and meal plans, but I do a lot of like motherhood videos, cleaning, organizing, and all of that. And I've also been throwing in some weight loss videos as well, like what I eat in a day mostly. So if you guys enjoy that content, make sure you subscribe. But I have a family of 5. We have a teenager and 2 littles, a 7 and a 5-year-old, almost 6-year-old. So, and then my husband and I. So my husband and I are eating very well and try to eat clean as much as possible, but we also have 3 littles who want goldfish and Cheez-Its and like fruit snacks. So we're not gonna deprive them of those things. So it's definitely like a mix of like a healthy grocery haul mixed with like some fun stuff for the kids and for us as well. So you gotta live a little. So we are gonna go now to Target and go pick up all of our groceries. I'd say we did pretty good stock up. I am going to empty everything out of the bags and then I will show you everything that we got. So I did 2 trips. I did like a grocery pickup last night and then I went in because I forgot a few things, so then there was other things that they said they didn't have that I ended up grabbing too. So it's kind of all mixed up, but it's all from Target. So we got some Gala apples. We got some vanilla Greek yogurt for Layton. She loves to have this with like granola or Cheerios and some raisins and some chocolate chips and stuff. She loves that little yogurt bowl for her. Got these for the kids just to have as snacks. A big head of lettuce, some bananas, green grapes, red grapes, strawberries. We were just about out of cereal, so I got this for the kids. They love Rice Krispies. And then I also got this for them to try. It's like chocolate Rice Krispies, but it's a little bit healthier-ish, I guess. I was out of paprika spice, so I grabbed one of those. The kids love these chewy dips, so we were all out of those, so I grabbed those. So I ordered, as you guys know, Stoke, however you say it, is my favorite coffee, and they were out literally everywhere. I tried 3 different grocery stores to order grocery pickup from, and no one had it. So I ended up ordering this one, and I'm sure it's just as good, but when I went in to get a few things, they had 2 of them, so I grabbed them. So I will be set for coffee for a little while. I grabbed some of these 0 sugar vitamin waters. I love these. I usually like to have the, I think it's dragon fruit, but they haven't had that either. So I tried this one the other day. It's just the lemonade and it's delicious. So I grabbed 2 packs of those because those were on sale. I grabbed some watermelon Waterloo to have. I've been loving the watermelon high noons. So I figured I can replace the high noons. Not that I'm drinking them all the time, but I can try making my own with a little splash of vodka and this, or just having it plain. The watermelon has been like my favorite. So that is all of that. Then over here, I stocked up on some hash browns to make for the weekend. I got some mini tater tots for dinner tonight. Crunchy taco shells. We've got tons of like the regular tortillas, but I got some crunchy taco shells to make for tacos tomorrow night. I got these sweet Hawaiian slider buns for dinner tonight. We're gonna have mini sliders and we're going to have mini sliders with just like regular burgers, and then I'm gonna do pulled pork. So that is for that. And then I just grabbed an extra one to keep in the freezer. It is 4th of July weekend and it's supposed to be really yucky here in Massachusetts, which is such a bummer. Last year was the same way, but we're hoping they will be wrong. But I got some of this funfetti to make. I figured just be something fun to do with the kids if we're stuck in the house. I got some of this brownie mix also for them to make. These are the burgers I'm gonna make tonight. I'm just gonna split them in half to make sliders. And then I got some chips just for sandwiches and for the weekend and the beach and all of that. We were out of taco sauce because I make my own taco seasoning, so I always put a little bit of this in with the taco meat just to give it a little bit more flavor, and it just, I don't know, it gives it a really good texture as well. So they were out of regular string cheese, so they had these little mini ones, which I thought were cool. Got some Ritz crackers. We're gonna have a pasta night next week, so I got this Banza chickpea pasta. These I have been loving, the little low carb street tacos. I just either use it for tacos or I make my sandwiches in them, which leads me to the low sodium uncured honey ham. It's sliced really thin, super good. That has like been my favorite lately. And then we have 2 English cucumbers, 2 avocados, and then for non-food items we have Lady Supplies and some powdered Tide. I'm gonna try washing my floors with this. This was the smallest one they had. I only wanted a little one, but it's okay. Hopefully it works really good. If not, I can just use it in my, I don't think I can even use it in my washing machine. Oh, it is, I can, it's HE, so we're good. And then a bunch of us got bug bites the other night, so I got this Benadryl itch relief stick to see if that helps at all. So that is everything. I just wanted to kind of show you how I do everything. So I made our meal plan for next week. We're gonna have turkey tips, sweet potatoes, and broccoli. I don't know if I mentioned, I got a cauliflower and broccoli mix. But that is for that meal, and I already have sweet potatoes and I already have the turkey tips. We're going to have tacos, like I said. We are going to make chicken parm, and I'm gonna do the chickpea pasta, but I'm also gonna make a side of broccoli. Then we're gonna have grilled chicken and veggies, and then we're going to do steak tip salads. I have all the salad stuff and I have steak tips in the freezer. So once I make the meal plan, I just go through everything that I need. My plan was to go to BJ's and to Walmart, but like I said, both of them were out of like so many different things. So Target had 90% of what I need, so we went with that. Now the next thing that I'm going to do is I am just going to upload my receipt to Fetch Rewards. This video is not sponsored, but I use Fetch all the time, and I will just show you. You just go into the app and then you click snap at the bottom to snap your receipt. And then sometimes it just reads the barcode and sometimes it doesn't, but let's see, snap there. And then I'm gonna snap down here. And then you just click submit. And I got 62 points for everything that I got at Target. That is only some of the stuff. It's not the one that I picked up the online order, because that one is attached to like an old email and I don't know how to change it. So unfortunately, I'm kind of stuck with it. So I missed out on some points, but definitely I always have Fetch Rewards and like I bought and stuff linked down below. It's awesome. You can just like use all of your points once you get them. You can refer people, you can do all of that, but once you get points, you can redeem them. Let me see. So rewards, you can redeem them for any of these places. Starbucks, Amazon, there's just like by categories, so you can do retail, Adidas, Advanced Auto Parts, Amazon, AutoZone, Bath and Body Works, tons of different places. CVS, eBay, you can just keep going. What I like to do is save them all up and then use my points at like Christmas time and buy people gift cards. So that's just a way to save money, and you're just using like just with what you normally buy. So that's what I like to do. And then there's when you hit the little orange button down below, I just figured this out and I've been missing out on like major points. When you click this button here, it says e-receipt. So you can it will just scan your email and you're able to get points. So if you buy stuff from Amazon, if you do like Walmart grocery pickup, if you do this, that, and the other thing, BJ's, all those things, all of the ones that get emailed to you, it's right there. So I was missing out on major points because I didn't know that that option was there. So shame on me. But now I am going to put all of this away, and then I'm just going to kind of fill up our snack station and all of that. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. If you do, I would love for you to stick around and subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.
I lose my breath whenever I see you. You stole my heart, what is it that you do? My life was great till you added colors. Like the moon needs the sun, we don't care about the others. You set my world on fire. You're my heart's desire. I just wanna love you, just wanna hold you, just wanna be with you till we grow old. Please tell me you'll stay or take me away. I want you for myself every single day. You set my world on fire. You set my world on fire. I don't know what I'd do without you. You make me smile, what is it that you do? My life was great till you added colors. Like the moon is the snow, we don't care about the others. You set my world on fire. You're my heart's desire. I just wanna love you, just wanna hold you, just wanna be with you till we grow old. Please tell me you'll stay or take me away.
So our little snack organizer is all stacked. It was like literally bare bones, nothing in it. So we are all, this was from BJ's, all these snacks. I had them in the garage. We've been, they were opened and we've been like working through them, but I just needed to stock everything. So that is all stocked. Next, I'm just going to wash our produce and let that soak, and then we will be all done.
I just want you, I just need you. I don't know what it is you do. I just wanna love you, just wanna